My name's Cody McCreary. I'm in Year 10 and right now we're in the I&E program building cubby houses that we're going to sell to the public.
So my name's Zach, I'm in Year 10 and this is the vet subject.
We've been doing it since the start of term, so about 4 weeks, and yeah, it's going very well. It's been good like working as a team, just making sure that everyone's having fun and we're working to an extent that we're getting stuff done and it's good fun, yeah.
I think like working in a team and learning new things, like being able to learn how to put the cladding on, using the nail guns because we're not allowed to use them in anything else.
It's been a lot of team process. We need 2 people to do just about every job. There's a lot of communication and stuff like that. It's been very difficult like marking out, just getting it all perfect, because if you stuff up one mark out, it can stuff up everything else in your cubby, and yeah, it just doesn't end up looking good.
I think the most difficult was cutting the cladding around the windows and the rafters, because you've got to make it's got to be exactly right so it can fit in and work.
There's been a lot of things that we've learnt. Like I think working as a team, like working with different people who you don't normally work with, just figuring out how they work and sort of adapting to it. Yeah, it's been good fun and it's been difficult, yeah.